Hey all, this is Shubhankar here from QuantSap. So today we are going to understand the stop and target tool in QuantSap. So stop and target tool in application is showing us for each and every script under FNO what should be the lower bound and the upper bound based upon the implied volatilities of those individual scripts. So talking about the scripts, as we open the tool, the scripts are sorted automatically as per the ascending order, wherein the indices pop up on the first. So Nifty, the future price right now is 15,036 of Nifty. I'm getting to see the price change. So Nifty's price today has gone down by 1.14 percentage, and the upper bound of Nifty, I should consider it at 15,422.02. Moderate upper bound should be 15,529.36. Similarly, if I am an aggressive trader, I should consider 15,636.71 as Nifty's aggressive upper bound. So on the left hand side, we get to see the lower bounds for each and every script. So taking example of Nifty, 14,992.65 should be my ideal lower bound, IV based lower bound. If I am a moderate trader, I should consider 14,885.31 as my moderate lower bound. Similarly, if I am an aggressive trader, I should consider 14,777.96 as my ideal lower bound. So these are the three different levels which are calculated based upon the IVs and the derivative data, which might act as the targets and the stop losses for you on intraday purposes. So now let's say if I want to search for any script of mine, so let's say TCS. So in TCS, I'm getting to see that future price is 3068.5 and the prices are down today by 0.54 percentage. So if I want to set a very conservative range among a trade of my TCS, so I can plan my target somewhere around 3142.24 and I can consider setting my stop loss somewhere around 3027.98 for TCS on an intraday basis. Apart from it, if I want to sort it down as per symbol name, so I can just sort it down, then it will be sorted in alphabetical order. Clicking twice on it, it will sort it in like a descending order in numericals, if I would like to say that. If I want to sort it down by price change, where the price change is the highest, so if I click on it once, automatically wherever the price change is highest on the negative side, basically it will get sorted in ascending order. So that was it from my side for today. Thank you so much for joining me up till here. So we do post similar sort of videos regularly on YouTube. To stay updated with the learning content, you can just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we are live, and also you can refer QuantSap to one of your friends. In that case, you receive 100 rupees reward points and your friend receives 500 rupees reward points in respected QuantSap accounts, which can be used for further purchases made in QuantSap application. Thank you.